Hey y'all, welcome back to another cooking video. It's Arnice and I'm back with another video on today, y'all. So today we're making chicken fried rice. Very easy, simple recipe. So I got 1 pack of the chicken tenderloins. I'm going to use some garlic, herb, and butter. So this is how much I have left, y'all. I'm going to use onion powder to season my chicken, also to add to my rice. Creole seasoning. Y'all, this is some good soy sauce for rice. Y'all screenshot that, get this. This is good. Some black pepper. I have the frozen peas and carrots. I have the broccoli. You're gonna need some cooking oil for your chicken. I'm gonna add just a little bit of jerk seasoning to my chicken as well. Some salt, some jasmine rice, and some eggs. So if y'all are new to this channel, y'all be sure to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment down below, and let's get into the video. Okay, first thing first, we're gonna add some cooking oil to our chicken. I already cleaned my chicken off. You gotta make sure you clean your chicken off. So y'all, when I make my fried rice, I usually just do like vegetable fried rice, not with chicken. So I'm gonna add chicken this time. Okay, so now we're gonna add our Creole seasoning. Onion powder. And black pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of the jerk seasoning as well. Just need a little bit, not too much. Okay, y'all, so while the skillet is heating up for the chicken, we're gonna go ahead and open up our broccoli, carrots, and peas. So I'm gonna try to make this video as short as possible, because this is a short video. So this is what I do. I add the broccoli, and I add the carrots and peas. Add a little bit of cooking oil. I like to use 2 topfuls. 2 topfuls, y'all. Excuse me. Okay, so then I like to go ahead and add my seasoning, Creole seasoning. The same seasonings that I use to season the chicken, y'all. My black pepper, onion powder, can't go wrong with the onion powder. I'm out of garlic powder, and a little bit of stick of butter, this much. All right, so let's go ahead and start cooking our chicken. Okay, y'all, so my water finished boiling for the rice. We're gonna have pot rice in the pot. So I'm actually gonna use 1 whole box and a half of the other box. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and get started on egg. I'm just going to use these four large eggs that I have left. That's 1 egg. 2 eggs. 3 eggs, and this is the 4th egg. Add some salt. Creole seasoning. Cayenne powder. Black pepper. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and start cooking our eggs. Okay, y'all, so I'm trying to let y'all see everything. So this is the broccoli, carrots, and peas. So now we're just gonna go ahead and add our rice, y'all, into this bowl. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasonings to the rice. So Creole seasoning, the same seasoning, y'all. Salt, black pepper, cayenne powder. Okay, y'all, so here's the eggs. Here's the chicken, y'all. The chicken is real spicy, but it's good. Okay, y'all, so now we're gonna add our garlic butter. Just gonna mix everything. Okay, y'all, so next we're gonna add our soy sauce.